26, right piriformis muscle release. Our patient
Facet
has
joint
a
injury
piriformis
is a common
muscle
cause
tear.
of chronic neck
It's
pain.
causing him horrible pain in his buttock and sciatic down his leg. So we're using our probe to go in and release the scar tissue within the muscle. He doesn't have a lot of scar tissue, Sean, but he does have some. Let's show the audience, how do piriformis muscles get injured and how do they cause so much pain? How do we fix them here at Deuk Spine Institute?
A piriformis muscle tear can cause lower back pain and sciatica. A piriformis muscle injury causes a tear, in which piriformis muscle inflammation causes back pain. And also, piriformis muscle inflammation may cause sciatic pain. The best treatment for piriformis muscle syndrome is the Deuk piriformis release. From there, the piriformis pain is permanently eliminated. The advantages with the Deuk piriformis release is that it's an outpatient procedure, which would take up to about 30 minutes. Minimal bleeding and pain after the procedure with an immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate with permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at